Microphone test. I'm recording this part of this video with just the microphone that's in the camera. So I'm going to pause my video here in just a minute. I'm going to do a little bit of counting. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to pause the video. And after I pause the video, I'm going to plug in the microphone. Okay, now I have the microphone plugged in. Can you tell the difference? My voice level is exactly the same. Theoretically, it should be a lot louder in the video because I now have a microphone attached to the camera. So the camera's built-in microphone plus the external microphone should make my video understandable. So let me know what you think. Can you hear me better than you used to be able to hear me whenever I use this camera? When you can hear me real well, it's usually when I use my phone instead of the camera. But I'm using the camera, and now I have the microphone. I'll count like I did a minute ago. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of this test video. If I can figure out how to